and welcome to Hot Money on Bloomberg Quint Live, India's first digital live streaming business news service. This is a show which gives you a complete wrap of all the stocks that are buzzing in trade. I am Darshan Mehta. Let's welcome our expert then, Raja Venkatraman of Chart Advice, Gaurav Bisa of LKP Securities, and Kunal Parad of Choice Broking join me on the show. Thank you to all of my guests for joining. But we'll start with the first chart from analyst. Raja Venkatraman has a chart on MOTHERSON SUMI. Raja, if you can join me, we'll have the chart. What does this chart indicate? Which is the indicator that you've used, and what's the potential up? It's a sell. What's the potential downside?
Yeah, I've used the Ichimoku indicator, and as we can see that the stock has been on a continuous descent since the entire last year, and even now it's making lower highs. So there is continuous selling pressure on this. Plus, I have used the ADX DMI concept, and that clearly indicates that the red line, which is the negative DI line, is in force. This white line indicates the strength of the trend. So the strength of the trend indicates that the bears are still in control in this counter. And looking at the kind of markets which we are in, where you are having a bullish possibility as well as a bearish possibility, this stock could be traded on the downside, because also this weekly chart has having this descending trend line, which is actually halting every rise. So now this rise which we are seeing, it's not even willing to go up till here. That means there is a lot of bearish pressure in this count.
Okay, can you explain Ichimoku in little detail on why you've chosen this indicator, and which part of this are you indicating?
Yeah, I'm these two lines which you can see.
Yeah. What is the significance?
It is based on two different periods. One is a 52 period and one is a 26 period. Yeah. So both these lines are converging here.
Okay.
And they are resisting the prices from going up.
Okay.
And this you can see is over last almost 4 to 5 months.
Okay.
And now we are seeing that the price is slowly cascading down. So with this scenario and the resistance in play, the possibility of selling is more evident.
So it's at 155 now. Would you recommend shorting at 155? Would you wait for any kind of bounce back? What's the stop loss?
I would recommend to short at both in parcels at current levels and also on rise towards 165 to 170, placing a stop loss above 180 for a drop towards around 125, 130.
Okay, so that's a potential downside you're saying. Thank you so much for that, Raja. What about you? Move on to the second round. Raja has a call this time on HAVELLS. Post the numbers, did manage to rally almost 6%, then cooled off a little bit. But Raja, are you still bullish on HAVELLS?
Yeah, very much. If you can see here, after 2018, it has been displaying signs of thin candlestick. This is called long body candles, so which indicates that there is a lot of activity. So it has been displaying this pattern, and if you can see here, it has been displaying long body size candles, which indicates that there is a lot of bullish momentum. And around these levels, the prices continue to hold. This is around the 650 region, and now with the results also coming in quite positive, so the stock is definitely trended for the upside. Plus, we are seeing a fresh beginning of upside momentum on the MACD as well. So all this together could present a good opportunity for initiating long.
Okay, what's the target? What's the stop loss?
The target
713 right now.
Yeah. So target is towards 775.
Okay.
And if you want to take it from a positional play, you can also even trade it towards 825.
Okay.
And one could also look to buy it towards dips around the 675 region with a stop loss below 650.
Okay, 650 is the stop loss. So it's more like a positional play that you are advocating.
Yes. Because it's just opening up.
How long before targets come in excess of 800?
Say within the next 1 month.
Okay, 1 month.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Thank you so much.